sharp. When they don't have the ball, they play a 5-2-3. It's not a defensive formation, right? If you play with Masego, you still tell him the same thing. He needs to be here because watch this. Now, this is, let's say Umufuke Ngula, then this is Umuremi, and then this is Uapolis. I would play Umanasis as well, from left to right. Watch this guy. Who's on Nyonyoba? Nyonyobing. We have to be alert. We have to be in this game. This is what they were doing. This is the second way that they attacked Mexico, is to play the ball behind the defenders. How Mexico was compact. They were compact. You have to be compact. The ball is this side. You can always leave space on one side. I need to polling up. For them to score, they have to really switch the ball. Listen up. Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch. The best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Today I'm going to be showing you South Korea. We are playing in South Korea 3 a.m. on Thursday. Hopefully most of you live. I'm a highlight, right? I'm going to be showing you how they set up. How they set up when they have the ball and when they don't have the ball. What do they like to do when they attack? But the most important thing, guys, ngiyabonga for support yenu, ngiyabonga for everything. Now, let's start. The ball is in the middle. Okay, in South Korea are these guys, right? Sharp. When they don't have the ball, they play a 5-2-3. It's not a defensive formation. It's a great formation, but it needs I'm a player one, right? You don't just play a formation in J. Now, are they beatable? Yes, they are beatable, but I don't think we'll beat them because if you think about our tactical team, in Mexico and the Czech Republic, they play a similar formation, but we didn't. Imagine we had all the time to prepare for those two teams, you understand, with one formation. There's not with the screen, but we still failed to come up with formation A1, to change our formation. Now, this formation now, it's similar, right? Just as good now, they have 3 up here, sharp. Now, when they, okay, let me play it. So, the ball is in the middle. When the ball goes to the right-hand side, this guy will press there. When he presses, the 4 at the back stays, right? So sometimes Guba 4-3-3, right? Sometimes Guzoba 3-4-3. I'll show you later on. Just depends Guti Ipola Ligupi. Like now, you see, it is 3-4-3. Just depends Guti Ipola Ligupi. But it's a very attacking formation. Always have 3 set at the back. Whenever we lose the ball, unabanta by 3. Sharp. Now let me show you something. Different. But it depends where the ball is. You understand? It needs to be automatic. I'm still showing you how they set up. It's very important to know which team is Alaganja. Now, ball is in the middle. This guy, remember, the keeper had the ball. The keeper had the ball while Zala long. This guy, Upuma la. So, they were attack. Upuma this side, then Wenzani, Wheeler back into position. Now, you can see it clearly, this formation. It is 5-2-3. I'm gonna show you later, Guti. What do we need to do, Tina, for us, Guti, to be dangerous? Final clip, a format, yeah. It's not okay. ukuthi thina sizodlala yiphi position, I don't know. Like I don't think anyone can guess ukuthi Hugo uzodlala yiphi. Whatever formation that we play, we need to have players that will play half spaces, half tens, because angithi these two guys, ne, they are wing backs, so they'll always push. These three bahlale bala. So if mina, okay, I would play Umuremi on the right hand side, because Umuremi sekajwayele ku Pirates when he plays on the right, sekajwayele ukuthi bamfake ku half 10 position, right? They are both not comfortable, but I would play Ulontuza, right? If you play Umaseko, you still tell him the same thing. He needs to be here, because watch this. Now, this is, let's say Umufuke Ngula, then this is Umuremi, and then this is Uapolis. I would play Umanasis as well. Now, in Mexico, Hugo Plus has blood on his hands. Imagine if they play the ball here and here. By 2, it's 2 against 3. So they don't really know how to mark any midfield, because they are always outnumbered. So if you have 2 half tens there in those spaces, you'll always outnumber them, because you have a midfielder here. In Mexico nabo, they didn't utilize the spaces that they had, or the opportunities, because this guy ubuyisela ibhola emuva. Ubuyisela ibhola emuva. Why ubuyisela ibhola emuva when you had a chance there? You had a chance ukuthi siliphasele ibhola laphaya. Mexico now, they are not a good team. It's trying to combine. Bayaba presser. Now, angithi baba pressing. Watch this guy. He's all alone. This guy is all alone. We have a keeper that knows how to pass. We just need to know how to open them up. Man, need to open them up. Ne? If one player moves in one direction, then we know kuzovuleka ispace. Because if you look at this guy, if he just moves slightly here, this guy uzohamba naye, and then this guy can occupy the space less, but he doesn't. Yeah, he moves there, but this guy wins in. Now, overlay space la. The goalkeeper can't pass the ball there. He decides to pass the ball where? He decides to pass the ball here. Right? We need to, if we are going to play the ball, we need to do the right thing. We need to open up that. But I just don't have the confidence in our technical team. I've shown you their setup. Their weakness is actually their setup, right? If you use it correctly, right, especially the 2 midfielders, their front 3 layer, they don't really drop back, because they don't really drop back layer 3 layer. So their weakness is actually the 2 midfielders there, because by 2, you can't have 2 midfielders and think you're gonna win the World Cup. Now I'm gonna show you how they attack. They attack in 2 ways. In 2 ways. This is the first one. They like to play the ball emasaidini la, or they will play it on the right hand side. Let me show you another clip. They are not a team that combines a lot. If in bamake kahle, right? If you are standing in the right positions, or bapressa kahle, right? They don't know what to do. They don't know what to do in terms of combination play. You just see in Mexico, they defended very well. They kept their shape. And now Bobayenzani, but patient. Now watch what happens from here to there. From Cape to Korea. Another one. Mexico has the ball, Basel win and it. But this time they played on the right hand side. From left to right. Watch this guy. Uzo nyonyoba. Nyonyobing. We have to be alert. Whoever's playing as a right back or as a left back or full backs, we need to be alert. When they play the ball, kuma wing back swap, right? Kuma wing back swap. It doesn't mean ukuthi bazodlala emoyeni, angithi. Now umsebenzi wama-wing backs, now watch, yagijima. Umsebenzi wawo is to always move there. It's to always move. Whenever they win the ball, the wing backs, they always run there, because the three that are up front, they don't normally go ema-siding, right? They don't normally go ema-siding. It's either bazongena phakathi nendawo to collect the ball or bayenzeni. You won't see them stretch, because that space ema-siding, they want the wing backs to go up and down, up and down. Earlier I said they are taking 2 ways, in 3 ways, right? The other one, just go to a video that I did, a check in South Korea. I don't think they'll do that. Or in this game, they didn't play the ball in between the central defenders, right? But in this game, this is what they were doing. This is the second way that they attacked Mexico, is to play the ball behind the defenders. If you are too tight, if you're a defender and you are too tight with the striker, and space is move. Into azoyenza is to do this and then go behind you, just like this. Nakia, Mexico has the ball. Because nabo vele, they're not delicious, they end up losing the ball. Angithi. Yenzani Korea, just watch what will happen. Ispace siyavuleka la, this guy wenzani makes a run there. They don't mind. They don't mind playing the ball behind. Lento ukuthi bafuzofuna ukulipasa njalo njalo. No, you play it behind. La kune space ikhona. Final clip of Korea attack, ne? Ball is in the middle. 1, 2, 3. Angithi. Now they are attacking. Now wing back, right wing back is there. The left wing back is there. What happens? They want to play the ball behind. Yes, Bona, they are good technical, right? But they don't really rely on that. La bafuna nje space behind. Final clip, guys. Now I'm going to show you something that we have to do. We are not good at this, and I understand why we are not good at this, right? It's because of most of my players are really Pirates in the Sundowns, and normally they are the ones that have the ball. They are the ones attacking. We have to be compact, right? When you play against a team that's stronger or faster, or a team that's better than you, you have to know how to defend. You have to be comfortable in defending. And I don't think we, as a team, or Ibafana Bafana, we are compact enough. Just going to show you how Mexico was compact. They were compact. You have to be compact. The ball is this side. You can always leave space on one side. I need to pull up. For them to score, they have to really switch the ball. Up. But we have to be compact. If we are compact, they don't have a lot of ideas. They don't have a lot of ideas. Look how compact they are. The ball is in the middle, but they are compact. We have to be comfortable. Sometimes, guys, if you are not the best team who World Cup, you must be comfortable in defending, right? Because if you just want to attack, Jangabo Tunis and 24 and 25, you have to be compact. Just watch what will happen here. These guys were compact. They don't care if they have the ball or not. They try and play it into the space. I don't think we are good at this, right? Any problem, the technical team, because you knew team should have prepared long time ago. We have to be compact. Otherwise, if we are not compact, if 4 and 5 is okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Don't forget to become a member. Thank you for watching.